for another unboxing. This month in September I purchased a lot of watches. I had the Watch Gang original subscription, and I bought a lot of wheel watches. If you guys watched my previous videos, you'll have seen some of them. Some of them I didn't record, I didn't have time, and I just unboxed them myself. This one is my last one of the month. This is actually the one I was looking forward to most, and the box is extremely large. This is the size of my hand, so I have a pretty big hand, so you can tell this is a big box. I also just got my welcome gift from Wish, which is also a watch, and I signed up to this in May, so it's now October 3rd, and I finally got it. And this is what I got from Wish. It's very cheap. Like, that's just printed on. It sounds like plastic. Obviously it's from Wish. Like, you can hear how bad that is. The strap is horrible, and the packaging was worse. I don't even know where it went, but it was basically a little plastic bag with bubble wrap. Anyways, let's get going with this unboxing. I might have to use two hands, but we'll see what I can do here. Oh, that wasn't very good, was it? I don't know what to expect. Again, this is a very large box. I didn't think it would have to be this big. It's a lot of wrapping. It's a Rebel Time. Let's that piece of shit watch out here. Sorry for the language. So, this is the Rebel Time watch I was looking forward to getting. I won it off the wheel. I did, I think about 1,000 points on the wheel this month. I went a little overboard, but it was pretty fun. As I open it, pretty good presentation. Has a note that says, "Thank you for supporting us. As we launch our first collection, we've put over a year into every aspect, blah, blah, blah." Sweet. Very nice welcome card from the Rebel team in Brooklyn, New York. It's wrapped up with a nice bow. Oh, look at that. Welcome to the Rebel family from Brooklyn with love. Huh. That's pretty nice. This is, instructions. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at that after. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's just a little cardboard box. Pretty cool slide on it if I can open it, though. Pretty hard to do with one hand. Oh, did I open this upside down? No, I didn't. That's wow. That's their warranty card. That's pretty cool. It's hard plastic. Fuck, that's a pretty cool card. That's metal. I thought that was plastic. And we got the watch. Oh wow. That is the watch. Rebel Aviator chronograph. It's got the hours, it's got the minutes, it's got the seconds. On a diver band, a rubber band, silicone strap. All stainless steel back, 10 ATM. It's a pretty nice watch. I really like this. This might be my new favorite. I might have to get more of them. Anyways, this is the watch, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button below, and stay tuned for some more watches.